Hi everyone, in today's video we're gonna discuss about availability set. What is an availability set? Availability set is a logical grouping of VMs that allow Azure to understand how your application is built to provide for redundancy and availability. So in availability sets, while creating, you will be have fault domain and update domain. Fault domain is nothing but the VMs in a same fault domain share common power source and a physical network switch. To understand it better, as you can see, we have a three fault domains here. So if you select the fault domain number as 3, then if you're gonna launch your servers using this availability set, your servers will be placed accordingly into these fault domains. As you can see, the server 1 is placed in a fault domain 0, server 2 in fault domain 1, server 3 in fault domain 3. Then what is an update domain? Update domain is generally we get a patches, updates to our servers. By having these patches and updates, VM in a same update domain restarts together during the plan. As you can see, the update domain 1 is being shared between 3 fault domains. When you get an updates installed, all these 3 VMs in update domain 1, like in 3 fault domains, will be restarted together. Once that is done, then it will come to the update domain 2 accordingly. So let's go and see how we create this availability set. And one more thing to be remembered in availability set is, like, if you create a virtual machine, you need to associate your virtual machine with the availability set there itself. Once the VM is created, you can't assign any availability set later. So if you want to give an availability set to the VM, make sure you do it while creating the VM itself. As you can see, click on availability sets here, or you can type and search like availability sets, create your availability set. See, you need to select your resource group. The name of availability set can be availability set 1, as it's your wish. Accordingly, a reason need to be selected here. If you can see the fault domains, see, the virtual machines in the same fault domain share a common power source and a physical network switch. Same to the update domains, will be restarted together when planned maintenance is happened, like updates, patch updates, kind of. So once you give these details, you have to review and create. Coming to our next topic, Traffic Manager. Azure Traffic Manager is a DNS based traffic load balancer. This service allows you to distribute traffic to your public facing applications across the global Azure regions. Let's have my website hosted on 2 VMs, the same website. One is in East US and other is in West US. So assume like my East US is my primary and my West US is secondary. So I want to access the website which is inside this VM from internet. In order to access this, I'm taking a help of Azure Traffic Manager. So what Azure Traffic Manager do is, like, based on our request, it will be redirecting to a respective server. This is the required setup for the lab, as discussed every time. Like, I'll be providing this code link in the description of this video. As you can see, my resource group is created. After that, I have created 2 virtual networks. One is in East US and one is in West US, and also subnets created in it. Also deployed a virtual machines, one in East US and one in West US. Now we'll go and create a traffic manager to traffic manager profiles. Now let's create a traffic manager profile. Azure Traffic Manager. I'll be giving weighted here, and resource group is RG. As we can see, a traffic manager is created. Now go to endpoints, add Azure endpoints, name as East VM EP, target is public IP address, so I can choose East VM here. It's mentioning no DNS name is configured. Let's go to virtual machines. You can see DNS name is not configured, so we have to configure DNS name here. DNS name I'll be giving as eServer1. Save. Similarly, I'll also create one for the West VM. Now let's go and create an endpoint. ESTP public IP address. Alright, create one more endpoint for West VM, for West EP, as endpoints is also created. Now we have to go and install Nginx on a servers, because we're gonna access through a web portal. So Nginx is getting installed. After that, I need to edit the file. Server, welcome to Nginx. Similarly, also do it for the other VM. So I have installed Nginx in both the servers. As I told, TrafficManager is DNS based load balancer, so you just copy this DNS name here. As we have given two endpoints, East server and West server, you just copy this URL here. See, as you can see, I have got East server in Chrome, and coming to my Microsoft Edge, I got a West server here.